Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove someone from Google Docs, or you can remove someone from shared Google Docs. So I will show you this video. So let's start with the video. So here first, open the Google Drive and find the file which you want to delete of ownership or sharing. So you can see I have this file which I share with someone. You can see this tiny two people logo where you can they can it is indicate that this file has been already shared with someone. So how you can remove it? So just click right on it and click on share button, and here you can see all peoples where you have share with. So this is me, means owner, means this is me, and this person I have share with this file. So I can remove it. Just click on this tiny arrow, and here you can find out the remove option. Just click on it and this will be removed. Just save it. Now this icon will be removed, means this is not now shared file. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.